Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales. Before I get into anything, I want to say that this video is for educational purposes, and if you would like the unblurred and uncut version of this video, join my Telegram chat and you will get the full thing. But hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales, bro, and today in this video, I'm finna go over how to make some money using banks, bro. We're gonna explain how to get your credit up really good. So the first thing you want to do is you want to obtain access to a bank. Hit Proxy Sales up if you are interested in that information. Now, of course, legally, if you need help opening a mobile bank account, that's what I'm here for. Now, make sure the account has wire transfer or Zelle enabled, because then you'll be able to send money. It's so hard being family friendly, but this is the way you'll be able to send money to another account, which I'm finna get into that. Open an account with their name so you two can help each other raise each other's credit. Yeah. At the head, open up a mobile bank with a Zelle enabled, and therefore you'll be able to send some money to each other. That's perfect. This is a great bonding experience. Unfortunately, all I can show in this video, but if you want the full thing, hit up my Telegram. I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.